One of the most expensive and hardest working systems in your vehicle is the automatic transmission. Transmission fluid over time degrades and stops cleaning and protecting the hundreds of moving parts. Motorists complain of hard shifting, slipping, and chattering. The BG Transmission Service uses a safe and effective cleaning product to dissolve and suspend the varnish and gums in the transmission lines and cooler. All old fluid is removed and replaced with premium transmission fluid and conditioner. The result will be a smoother operating transmission, free of life-shortening deposit buildup. The lifetime BG protection plan for transmissions underwrites the quality of this service.